So my next guest today is Marcus Wong. He's a VP from ViTrox Technologies in Malaysia. Nice to see you, Marcus.
Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, no, we see ViTrox many times around the world, but you've got some new machines, obviously, that you're launching here at the show. So let's talk about some of these. I think the first machine that we want to talk about maybe is the robot. You've got an industrial robot which has got multiple different applications, but tell us some of the most recent updates you've done to it.
We're having these new robotic machines. We call it V510i R, R for robotics. So we have an industrial robot, and it will carry a 3D visions. So we can reconstruct the 3D from different angles. And I believe we are the only solution in the market if you want to reconstruct, measure the height as something underneath some cover connectors, right? We have this full 3D inspections capability, as well as we can do conformal coating inspections.
Okay, and so how many? I've seen these robots, and how many axis is the arm on the robot?
Oh, it is a 6-axis robot.
6-axis robot. So that makes it very versatile. So it can really get into any area.
Yes.
Okay. So the applications are for AOI inspection or for conformal coating inspection, and for final box build as well, to look at the integrity of the final assembly.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
So we can technically move every single directions, and not just the surface inspections. We can also measure some height from different angles.
Right. Okay. And the reason that you're using an industrial robot, which the difference here between that and a Cobot is that the industrial robot is encased, which allows you to increase the speed of the system and make it work faster in a safe environment.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. Okay. Excellent. So what else have we got that's new on the ViTrox stand this week?
We also released a top-bottom AOI, which have a top visions and the bottom 3D visions, 3D from both sides, and doing the inspection concurrently. We launched this machine early this year.
Okay, so that's concurrent 3D inspection, top and bottom for double-sided boards and that sort of thing.
Yes, you're right.
Excellent.
So normally we are using it for after the PTH process. Then we will check the tall components, where this machine having 100 millimeters clearance, and as well we can construct up to 100 millimeters 3D measurement as well. Then we have a bottom for the PTH measurements. And that's the general usage after the PTH. And we do have some application doing the glue stacking. So now a lot of automotive suppliers, they apply all kind of glues to secure the components. So we do inspection for this kind of component as well. Okay.
Well, that's quite versatile then. So the bottom one can check the pins as well from these through hole components. And the leads coming through. Yeah. Okay. Excellent. Cool. So the other thing that you've got is you've made some upgrade on your software, as I recall. Do you want to? It's an AI assisted SMT program. Maybe you can explain it to us a little bit better.
Okay. In recent years, we actually see a lot of our customer. It's so difficult to find a good SMT expert. There are just not many of them.
That's true.
So having them to check the program every shift before they start the productions is tedious, and it's some kind of waste of these people resources, right? So we now creating a new AI capability, or we can call it's just like act as like an AI agent. They will go through all the SMT packages, and they will identify what is the coverage required from all these packages, because if we need to have the right coverage, it used to need a group of people to go through all the part numbers, packages with all the criteria. But
all right. So this is a different approach from accessing a library. This is looking at the actual board and the actual devices, and putting the information together to pass to the machine so that they're doing with complete accuracy and no mistakes. Because when you're using it, working from a library, you're working from very often from spec sheets, and the device sizes aren't entirely 100%.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
So we will actually use the actual board and actually also using the AI to generate the defect images,
Yeah.
and to ensure the algorithms or recipe in place able to catch the defects.
Yeah.
So this will actually give the assurance to the end customer. Their product going through the inspections will be in very good shape.
Yeah. And how quick is that to program? When you're actually doing that.
I think it's less than 10 minutes to do it,
Right.
and it's all handled by the AI.
Yeah. Excellent.
AI is really a good tool.
Well, you're certainly ahead of the game, that's for sure. So keep innovating. It's a great company, ViTrox, and I've been down to your place in Malaysia, and it's quite phenomenal the way that you treat your staff and your team, and I'm very impressed with it. So thank you for coming in and talking to us today.
Thank you very much.
Okay.